Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. Alright, so, obviously you guys know a lot's been going on with everything lately. And so I'm going to update on my stepmom, I'm going to update on my daily weigh-in, and just update on my day, my life, my type of stuff. Alright, so first of all, before any of that, because I'm selfish, I want to talk about this shirt. I tie-dyed this, and I am very proud of myself. 35 years old, first time ever tie-dyeing anything. But this shirt had a big old stain, well not big, but it had a stain right here. And the whole thing was white beforehand, and so it was kind of ruined. So I decided to tie-dye. And I am loving how it came out. I love how the hood came out. Like, it's super cute. I do wish that, like, there's a lot of white still through there, but I'm still happy with it. Yeah, so just bragging on that. Everybody keeps pointing out that it matches my glasses, but I mean, I wear rainbow glasses, so it matches anything I wear. But yeah, so I'm happy with that came out. This I did to occupy my hands and occupy my mind when my stepmom first went in the hospital. I did it on Sunday, so to keep me from eating as much. Obviously, it didn't work for the entire day because honestly, tie-dyeing doesn't take that long. The longest is that you're letting the shirt sit there for, 12 to 24 hours. But the actual act of tie-dyeing is pretty darn quick. So it didn't pass that much time. And as you guys know, like, I stayed within my daily points and weekly points, but I still end up having a 3-pound gain yesterday. But also there was sleep factor, all these other factors that went into it. So whatever. Anyway, before the rest, let's talk about my stepmom. She is getting out of the hospital today. They declared it's not a stroke, but they also declared that they have no idea what's going on. So she is getting discharged today, and basically they think it could be some kind of eye disease. And so she's got to go to an eye doctor and I think a neurologist. I get all those things mixed up, all the different medical people. But she's got to go to those type of things and follow up with them and figure out and see if they can figure out exactly what is going on. It is getting better. I haven't talked to her yet today. I tried calling, tried texting both my parents. Neither one responded, so I texted my sister. Sure enough, she somehow has all the information. She's the one that told me that she's getting discharged today, and all of the rest of that. But I know as of yesterday, the twitchiness in the eye was settling down. It wasn't happening nearly as often as it was. But yeah, so good news, I guess. I don't know. I mean, at least it wasn't a stroke, right? That's what I'm saying. I don't know the realm of possibilities from here of what it could be. Several of you have commented, and even my friend Amy had commented, and I mentioned it to my dad that, it could be like migraine related because like my dad, he gets a kaleidoscope thing when he gets a migraine. He doesn't get any pain. It's just the thing where it looks like he's looking through a kaleidoscope. Like one eye can't really see hardly anything, and the other one has all these colors around. And, he pops some ibuprofen, and like 20 to 25 minutes later, it goes away. I'm like, maybe this could be something like that, but I don't know. I don't know if the doctors are thinking that or what, but I threw that out there, and thank you guys for suggesting that. But yeah, so I guess we'll wait and see. She's going to try to get to the other doctors sometime this week. So keep your fingers crossed. Still keep the prayers and positive energy coming. I know she is still very scared, especially, we all kind of are, because we're still in that land of I don't know. And that is the worst spot for me mentally. I don't know about for her, for anybody else, but for me, the land of I don't know, because there's too many possibilities that can run through your mind. Even I'd rather have horrible news, but know what the news is, than live in land of I don't know. It's very stressful, very frustrating. But at the very least, if it is something eye related, my brain is interpreting to that mean it's not life threatening, So fingers crossed that that is true. I mean, obviously, if it can lead to major eye issues, that's very sad and stressful and life-changing, but there's still a life to live, even if it is different versus something that is life-threatening and maybe not have a life. That's where I'm thinking, that's where my brain's living at the moment, so we'll see. Fingers crossed, like I said. All right, so next topic is weigh-in. I am still sticking up with the daily weigh-ins. I made a cute little graphic thing that I'm gonna, I might wait till the end of the month to post it. I might post it right here for all I know. Depends on what I feel like when I'm editing. But it just got like 31 pumpkins on it, and I'm putting in my 31 days of weighing in. And I stepped on the scale today, sorry. And I'm now 313.8. So that means I lost 1.6 pounds since yesterday. Still obviously not as low as I was on Sunday, but I'm not that far off because I was 312.6. So what is that? What is that math? It's not even a full pound. I don't know math. 313.8 minus 312.6. Is that 0.8 pounds? I don't know. Whatever the math is, you guys do the math for me or I'll type it here. But it's not that much farther to go, which is great considering that it is Tuesday and I'm already at almost where I was Sunday. And I'm really starting to get a mental grasp on, and I know it's probably so for you guys, you probably were like, dude, we could have told you this years ago. I wasn't on this channel years ago, but you know what I mean. On how much Sundays really do affect. And like I said, this past Sunday, I didn't plan on going overboard. I didn't plan on eating as many of my weekly points as I did. But we also know what happened on Sunday with my stepmom and stuff in my sleep and blah, 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 blah. And when you're up half the night, I tracked everything. I stayed within the weeklies. But still, I don't know if I really want to continue having, even if it is just a 3-pound gain. Definitely don't want the 8-pound gain overnight on Sundays like I did at the beginning of the month. The end of last month, technically. But I do know that I want to continue losing weight. Duh. But I worded that wrong, so I just went with it. I don't know if I want to even have the 3-pound gain, so I might not use the weeklies this coming week. We'll see how it goes. It's gonna take time to fully adjust to that. I know it seems weird, but basically for a year and a half or however long I've been doing this, on Sundays I had whatever I wanted to. So I'm gonna work on getting down to not getting my weeklies eaten in one day. I didn't even use all of them this week in those 3-pound gains. So I'm like, what if I use none of them? Granted, the week before I had 23 of the weeklies left and I only had a 0.8 pound gain. But what if I just ate like I normally do the rest of the week on Sunday? How big of a difference could that make? But it will take time. It's going to take time to get there. I'm going to work my way towards it because if I just switch totally right off the bat, I feel like that is going to mentally sabotage me because my brain's gonna be like, what? Because I told you on Sunday, I wake up hungry because my body knows it's Sunday, we eat what we want. Now it's not eating whatever I want, it's still eating within the points. So I'm working on that. I feel like I've repeated myself 3 times, so sorry. But yeah, so that is where I'm going with that. And as far as today goes, what I plan to do, if my stepmom is getting discharged, if she feels up to it, I might go over there and visit her. She might just want to rest. I don't know, because you never really get rest in the hospital. Even though you're in bed the entire time, you never really do. And then cleaning, chores, stuff like that. And I do need to still, as far as the car situation, I do need to go and get an emissions and safety test. So I need to figure out where I can go for that. I wanted to go to my dealership because I know they do it and I need an oil change anyway. And I get them for free. Well, I prepaid for them, but I get them, I don't have to pay for that. So basically all I would do is pay for the safety and emissions and get the oil change at the same time, but they're not available for like a few weeks. So I'm going to see if there's somewhere else around here that I can call and get into today, hopefully. And we'll see if that works. If not, I'll at least figure out where I can go and then where I can make an appointment for later. It is trickier now that I'm finally back working on Thursdays, but at the same time on Thursdays I work till 2. So there's still plenty of time to get stuff done. Other than that, things are going okay. The stress and the anxiety and the drama is plateauing, hopefully. I really don't want to jinx myself by saying too many positive things right now, which I don't know. I feel like I jinx myself when I say things out loud. So hopefully I didn't just do that. I paused because I'm thinking if I want to delete that when I edit, because maybe I don't want to even put it out there. It's bad enough I put it out here. I don't know. But anyway, that's basically all I've got for you guys today. Thank you again for all of the support, all of the love that you guys have given me and my family. I can't wait to hear how Donna reacts. I mean, I know how she's going to react. She's going to start bawling when she sees that you guys gave such love and support for her. She's that type of person. She's very, very emotional. And I mean, seeing that kind of support really kind of teared me up a little bit too. So thank you for that. And that's all I got. So until Sandy tags me in this week's Tag Tuesday, that's actually what I wanted to say one more time. The tag this week, we have done before. I cannot find the video of my answers. So if you guys, when I do the tag this week, if any of you guys feel like scrolling through all of my junk and finding it, let me know if you can find it, because I tried. I can't find it, but I know these questions I've answered before. Maybe I didn't call it tag. I don't know what had happened because it was a while ago, like probably a year ago. But I know I've answered these questions before, and it'd be really funny to see how my answers would compare to past Robert, because I don't know if my answers will be the same or not. That's why I was really hoping to find it, record my answers, and then watch the old one. But either way, whenever Sandy tags me in that, which will be soon. She's usually more on it than me. So this week it'll obviously happen. But yeah, so keep an eye out for that. And so that's officially all. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, please comment, subscribe, all the stuff I always ask for. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Unless the tag comes out today, then I might record today. If not, tomorrow. All right, bye.